Let's start. Best of luck.
She late for school today. A where B was C is. They were not at home yesterday. He went to the market last night. We already completed our homework. A has B, had C have. The boy very clever. A, M, B is C, R. My bike yesterday. A, repaired. B, repairs. C, repair. She playing the piano now. A, where B was C, is. They were watching TV yesterday evening. He eats his breakfast every morning. We going to the park tomorrow. A was B, were C, R. She already cleaned the room. A, have B, has C, had. They waiting at the station. A did B, were C do. I excited for the trip. A, M, B is C, R. The children singing songs yesterday. A was B, were C, is. He sold his car last month. We busy with our project now. A was B, were C, R. She was sick yesterday. A is B was C, R. They already seen that film. A has B, had C, have. He hard every morning. A works. B worked. C work. The baby crying loudly yesterday. A are B was C is. She puts her books on the table. They practicing for the match. A was B, are C is. I met my uncle last week. He goes to school daily. A goes, B went, C go. We classmates for 2 years. A was B, are C is. She always speaks politely. A were B is C was. They not accept the offer? A, do B, does C, did. He very tired yesterday. A is B, are C was. I ready for the exam. A, M, B is C, R. We dinner at a restaurant yesterday. A, ate B, eating C, eat. She's standing near the window. A is B, was C, R. They visited the Paris in 2019. A, have B, had C, has A. He his lessons daily. A, does B, did C, do. The stars shining brightly. A, shine. B, shines. C, shone. I washed my clothes yesterday. She cooking pasta right now. A was B, is C, are. They a big farm. A, had B, has C, have. He was late for the meeting yesterday. The students preparing for exams. A, are B, was C, is. We visited the zoo last month. A, have B, did C, has. She dancing at the party yesterday. A, was B, is C, were. They going on a trip tomorrow. A, are B, is C, was. He completed the project. A has B, had C, have. The children very excited. A, am B, is C, are. I my assignment yesterday. A, finished. B, finishes. C, finish. She's sitting under the tree. A, are B, is C, was. They already gone to school. A has B, had C, have. He jogging every morning. A is B, was C, are. We were watching TV last night. She very confident in class. A is B, was C, are.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.